Alright, so this is the kumquat tree. This is the kumquat tree. Those are the yellow flowers right there. And right here, got the main strip. And it just goes on for miles. And if you look over here, you got like a little part where people could like pose. It's like a little gown thing, and it's just everybody getting ready for Tet. And yeah, behind me, so I have the camera flipped so people don't think I'm filming when it's actually recording them. But yeah, and you can see, yeah, this is Tet. We got this big truck right here. Once he moves, you'll be able to see it. So, and it just goes on. You see it? I don't know. Get you guys a glimpse of it. It is getting, every day it gets crazier and crazier and crazier, and the traffic jam just gets crazier and crazier. And this is just one little corner. I just wanted to show off the main strip. And most of my Vietnamese videos unfortunately have the what do you call it, the vertical angle. So I wanted to get one that had a side angle to kind of show what Tet looks like. Now if I knew somewhere I could park my bike, I would probably go up close and try to get a better view. But I'm gonna try to zoom in. And show it what it looks like. So I'll just do a quick scan. That is the Vietnamese gown, the dress that I talked about. Traffic jam. Yeah, let's get back to one. So yeah, I don't know if I could strap it. There's not a way I could really strap it to my chest like a GoPro, and I would just ride straight. But or there's no way I could strap it to my chest. I would just ride straight and show it off. But each day I'll try to find like a new corner, you know, show how it's getting like a little bit more busier, a little bit more differently. But this is what I wanted to show. This is like what I wanted to show. It's like people like dress up, put on the gowns, and yeah, it's cool. Yeah, the Vietnamese gown, clothes, it's very beautiful, very beautiful. It's so freaking busy, and that sun is just relentless. But yeah, check out the gowns, at least the girls here. Very pretty. Very pretty. Alright, let's try it. So I'm going to try, let's see what happens if I do the camera sideways. Alright. Anyways, just a quick one just to show you what Tet looks like. So, here, let's go. I'll show you. If I don't get ran over. So behind me. Alright.